The Hinyotrap Youth Council HYC Ribhoi district, led by Tony Shela, General Secretary of HYC Ribhoi, met with Abhilash Bharanwal, Deputy Commissioner of the district today to address key issues affecting Ribhoi district. They discussed border concerns and strategies to combat drug proliferation in the community. Following the meeting, Shela stated that the Deputy Commissioner is committed to collaborating on anti-drug efforts. He mentioned that the DC plans to convene a meeting soon to formulate measures against drug abuse. Additionally, actions will be taken regarding the border issue.
Nakalia kajong iru ila sokya sepun harbide buka ciktu stat cikpenot kami drop sepuluh kesela Meghalaya. Te nakalian jong UDC ula ai kata kacing nakalian tu ula ong ba hapok kini segi kisahkan ka meeting panjangkeran lale dan kata ka meeting panjang perkat hakado korkom ba telekam ya kacing kedrai jong drop. Te kita kimat kibagi kami keren masibun kiwi kimat te hendak kiwi leti lemba ka jingdan jong ne UDC ba menta let's say sibun ki isu apa kada Ribhoi yang ini panjang keren nang ne semat ban ngisam ba kalong ka kalong ka jingrap lagi pa jong katong kathan Ribhoi hi.
Director General of Police DJ